everybody? It's your girl Kay.ann back. I'm here to stay. I'm not going anywhere, so you might as well stick around, subscribe, like, and comment. Make sure you become part of the family. I cannot stress this enough. You do not want to miss these uploads because after the brow routine, I did this eyeshadow look as promised, and it is a beautiful, deep, vampy look for the fall with a nice nude lip. Don't worry, dark lip colors are coming. Y'all need to stay tuned for those looks. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and leave a comment down below letting me know what's your favorite lip color for this season. I'm gonna be checking. Today I have challenged myself, and this palette is dirty, so don't talk about me. I have challenged myself to using only one palette. Hopefully I can do it, and this is the Anastasia Prism palette. And for today's look, I kind of want to go for something dark and fancy. Wait, hold just one moment. If you are not subscribed, look down below the video right now. Click that subscribe, and my lids are already primed. I just primed them with concealer. So first, this blending brush does not have a number on its up, but it is a Morphe brush. So first I'm going to go in with this brush, and I'm going to dip into the color Eden. Tap off the excess, and we are taking this right into the crease. Also kind of using this as our transition shade. And you want to use a light, very light tan. So next, I am going to take my M441 and dip into the color Saturn, which is just a deeper orange shade. And we're going to focus that mainly into our crease, just to deepen it up a little bit. And just build up slowly. It's easier to add more than it is to take away. Next, I'm going to take another blending brush. This is the M433, and I'm going into the brown color Parallel. And this is a more tapered blending brush, so I can get more precision. And I am going to mix this right in with that orange shade that we just put in the crease. But we don't want to take this shade up too high. Then I'm going to go back in with the M441, pick a little bit of Saturn up again, and soften up that brown, the edges of the brown. I am going to pick a lid shade. I don't know if I want to go with Throne, which is a dark green shade. Can't even really tell. I'm sorry, my lighting is like so bad, but it's a dark green shade. Or do I want to go with Osiris, which is a blue with like purple pinkish glitters in it? I would will try to fix the lighting so you can see these swatches a little bit better. But, or do I want to go in with Dimension? Pyramid, like the gold shade Pyramid, and the brownish shimmery shade Sphinx, and this rose gold with a little bit of brown in it, shade Eternal. I just feel like that's the safe route. So I want to pick one of these. Go in with Osiris, which is the purple bluish shade with the pink glitter reflect. I'm going to just use a black base to carve out our crease. So I'm just taking a flat little light liner brush and my NYX Jumbo pencil in the color Black Bean. I do put a black base down because sometimes when you put black down, it will make deeper colors like greens and blues pop just a little bit more. It'll be more intense than it would putting it on top of a white. You usually use white bases when you're using the extra bright neon colors and you want the more neon effect. For it to be deeper and richer, you would want to use a black base. Purplish. It looks better. You can see it better in person and in probably better lighting, but it did come out pretty good. It kind of can look black, dark purple, plummy, blue. There's a lot of different hues in it. So without adding an additional product, this is the brush that we used to put the brown in our crease earlier. I'm just gonna run it on top of where we placed that base in this color, so it won't be a harsh line like you see right now. It's a very harsh line, so we're gonna try to blend that out. See, I blended a little bit more. So now we're gonna take that M411 again that we used for the color Saturn, and we're dipping back into Saturn. And this is just to further blend all the colors together, marry them together. And now I'm going to pick up that brown shade and blend it right on top as well. Take Obsidian. This is such a super dark black in my opinion. So I'm going to take a flat brush, dip into that black, tap, tap, tap that excess. Kind of just pat that black on in a triangular motion, just to darken up the crease, the outer crease, and make it more defined. Alright, so for a brow bone highlight, you really wouldn't use any of these colors just because it doesn't, like the lighter shades just wouldn't look good on my skin tone. But I'm I'm going to dip into Unity very lightly and place that on my brow bone, and then dip into a little bit of Lucid, which is a light shimmery shade, and a tap of Pyramid, and put that right underneath the arch as a brow bone highlight. Make it pop. So I'm going to go, should we go ahead and do the other under eye? I'm gonna finish the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. Now I am back, and I finished the other eye off camera. I also just put my base on. I still haven't contoured, put blush on or highlight on or anything. So now let's get ready to do the under eye. So let's line the waterline. We're going to go in with this flat brush, and we're going to take Obsidian, which is the black shade, and go right underneath with it. We're orange shade, and we're going to use that to smoke out the black. Corner highlight, and for the inner corner I am going to use the gold shade Pyramid. Mascara to our bottom lashes. Contour, I'm just going to use the eyeshadow from this Ultimate Face palette. I got this while I was in cosmetology school. So just dip into this brown shade and let's go in. I'm going to, didn't realize that was in the way. Oh, and for lashes, I use the Ardell Wispies, the 113s. Going with the Illamasqua Blush and Excite. It is broken to pieces, so I have to be really careful. And let's go ahead and spray our face before we highlight. We are going to use, oh, I forgot, this is broken up too, but this is the Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. I don't even remember cracking this. I break everything. Now I'm gonna go. Alright, you guys, I finished the look. I went ahead and added some earrings, and for lips I used a brown lip pencil with Snob from MAC and a MAC lip gloss on top. I don't remember the color, but I do hope you guys enjoyed this look. Do not forget to comment down below what's your favorite lip color for this season. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.